गहन कुसुम कुंज माझे मृदुल मधुर बंसी बाजे बिसरे त्रास लोक लाज सजनी आओ आओ लो गहन कुसुम कुंज माझे. In the heart of lusty kusum flowered forests, a sweet melody strings from the heart. O Sakhi, O Sajani, O beloved of Krishna, come tonight, forgetting all fears of society, letting go of all lajja or shame of having loved that one. Come, O Sajani, O beloved of Krishna, to that forest of love. A Shubh Sharad Purnima, Kojagari Purnima to all of you. Tonight is one of the brightest full moons, one of the most celebrated and gentle and soft full moons celebrated this side of the planet. Our Eastern Puranas, stories, mytholores, folklores are filled with stories of love, of separation and meeting, of longing and pangs, of lovers' trysts under this Sharad full moon, tonight's full moon. To me, the Sharad full moon has always held a very, very special place, because I see it as that cusp, the one that kind of bridges the shedding. Right now in the autumn, as the autumn ebbs, all of nature is shedding everything that has completed its journey and is preparing to cover her child, the earth, the planet, with a blanket of all those fallen leaves and all that is shed to keep us warm through Hemant and winter, the pre-winter and winter. And go into all of creation, kind of goes into a Nada Nidra, a Yoga Nidra, but that's not a sleep, but is filled with the Nada and the Spanda, the vibrations of preparing for new life that will burst forth at the end of that winter in spring, in Basanta. So tonight is that transition from autumn to pre-winter or Hemant, before the winter sets in. And all the seeds, all the flora and fauna and foliage that has lain itself like a blanket over earth, over sacred Mother Earth, will rest in active motion, in an awareness of seeking its identity, of its next cycle, of its next birth. And come spring, all that is lain now in hibernation will burst forth in fresh life. So tonight, as you gaze at the moon, tonight as you bathe in the moonlight, do remember to shed all that has completed its journey, whether you know it or not. Invoke it within your heart, invoke it within your soul, invoke it with the love and longing for truth, for Krishna. For Krishna is nothing but super consciousness of truth, of exuberance and the process of life, the livingness of life. So invoke that Krishna vibration on this beautiful love-kissed night of Sharad Purnima. And whether you are aware or not, ask for all that has served its purpose to shed itself gently, spontaneously, and surrender it unto the earth. let every energy that you feel might be troubling you or creating a rustle or creating some kind of ripples, let it all shed and rest upon the womb, upon the bosom, in the embrace of the Mother Earth. And place yourself in a state of musical, aware sleep, where the sleep means you're journeying inward. You don't go to sleep for like 2-3 months till spring, but that which is inside rippling is laid to rest so that it can think, it can choose, it can decide its next journey as spring shall bring in the new cycle of consciousness. So everybody just have a beautiful, beautiful moon ritual. Most of us in India, in this part of the world, have some family, some community, some religious or spiritual symbolic ritual that we do. Like we'll be putting out the milk under the moonlight tonight, and the moon is supposed to be in all its 16 colors and all its qualities completely full tonight, and it rains, it showers nectar, they say, Amrita, Soma, the elixir of life unto that. For those of us who are vegan, who are conscious consumers of our food, we are using almond milk. You can use alternative milks, and place it out in the moonlight and drink it. And it has this quality to it that you will know only when you drink it. It's cool, it's calm, it's healing, it's soothing, and it just feels like it nourished you in body, mind, and consciousness. Have a beautiful moon night tonight, a blue moon, the second in a month, which is extremely, extremely rare, and a Sharad, love-kissed moon. Happy Kojagari, happy Sharad Purnima to you. And yes, some of us, like us Bengalis, celebrate this as Lakshmi Puja, Kojagari Lakshmi Puja. So may the Mother of abundance and prosperity arrive unto your doorsteps, arrive unto the doorsteps of your lotus hearts, and dwell there always. Abundance in health, abundance in material gains, abundance in joy, abundance in togetherness and belonging and bonding, and abundance in all that is your path in life. Shiva Asti. Be blessed. Love you all so much.